Hey friends, if you encounter the error 1018 on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. Now, this is basically linked to the corruption of a program. I checked for it. Some say that it's for Microsoft Office, some say it's for Netflix. It's not for any specific application, but a general error for applications. And if you encounter this error, we can perform general troubleshooting steps for resolving problems related to these applications. The first one is a disk cleanup, and open disk cleanup, and then click on OK, and then you can delete all of these files here, the temporary files, and then click on OK, and then click on delete files. I'll tell you why to delete the temporary files. Deleting these temporary files will make sure that any kind of clutter has been removed which was related to those applications. Now right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side. Select installed apps in the right pane and find your application in the list here. And once you find your application in the list, click on the three dots associated with it and select advanced options. Scroll down, click on repair first, click on reset, and then on reset once again. And this should help fix the problem, but if it doesn't, then you can uninstall and reinstall the application. Now I won't uninstall and reinstall Notepad, but let's say that we had a third party application, for example Google Chrome. Uninstall it, uninstall it, uninstall it, and remove it from the system, and then you can download it from the installer, for example Google Chrome install, and hit enter. And then you can click on this installation page, and then click on download Google Chrome, and then click on open to install it on your system once again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.